Juliana Daniell here for Race Day Live. I am at the Dunlop Motorcycle Tires rig. I'm here with Marshall. Marshall, tell us a little bit about your tires and what makes you all the official motorcycle tire sponsor for Supercross.
Well, Dunlop has been involved in Supercross racing for a long time, for almost over 30 years. So, and we are very fortunate to be have our tires on a lot of the top riders' bikes, and we're always up near the front of the pack every weekend.
About roughly how many tires do you guys change a weekend?
Anywhere between 200 and 250, depending upon the event and the condition of the tracks.
About how long does it take to do what you need to do per tire?
Anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes.
I've been told that you wanted to challenge me. Is that true?
Yeah, I would like to challenge you. Yeah, changing the tire. Are you ready?
Challenge accepted. Let's do this.
Marshall, are you ready?
Ready.
Juliana, are you ready?
Ready.
Go!
I got you, Marshall. Here we go.
JD.